Rais William Ruto ruareno ukarimu enwete yokire mambura ya kururenkia MWEKURU neo G7 naranethirite AKAWIRA ati musonde ya tuthan gender rule ketha wikuluka kenda kuwatila Ekuru bank luki rutuwite ukabere ndibara ndeiti na munini wa Gachagua ati urawachwetikia urais na ungavana ethira rinto murume kayuke MWEKURU ari munini wawe kaiteno kau gavana KAWIRA nonekete kulikithia ati njera ya rais nethire yukumirao riria aingatawa ni mbunge ya Senate.
Rais William Ruto nwala limugeni wa gitio kilorugulu bangwatanira G7 ila yudhuranitie amwe magavana bonde mugwanja ba Ekuru kumakingwatanira Kenya Kwanza na ile Azimio ngwataniro ile moronto ane gutigiro tongere ba Ekuru wa Kenya ne bokuthi na mbele kuongereka muno kio tongere ba gavana. Rais William Ruto akialekele mambura mama na ugitikienda gutigira ndini ya Kenya ni gukura na kuthi na mbele nompasie kurubalabale utongeriani bathi na mbele kugwatwa mbaru.
All these great ladies are the epitome, as has been said here, of great leadership. And we want to work with you, and we will do the best that we can to make sure that women leadership succeeds, so that we can use it to rally the rest of our population to appreciate that for Kenya to make steps into the future, we cannot do it with half our population that are men. We must do it together.
Rais William Ruto kangagera kugatikilidura no bira bikeja ukabere kiama kia UDA kigatigira ona kirungamia rais wa Kenya munini wae akethagirwo ali MWEKURU.
When Rigiji and myself tukifika hapo mbele na tumekubaliana vile itaenda, we must also agree that going forward, if a man is a candidate for president in our party, the woman must be the runner. And if a woman is the candidate, then a man can be a running mate. Okay? And we must also cascade it down to the governors.
Kulingana na gavana wa Kirinyaga ano iguru kile kithurano kia mwaka wa 2027 bakagwata mbaru Rais William Ruto indi wona ya Kenya kithurano kia mwaka wa 2023 bota Ekuru no mpasi balonga milioni wao kirigitiki kia rais wa ndino mwenogu magavana bangi ba Ekuru ni bakadite Rais William Ruto no ntubakuthi na mbere kugwata mbaru utongere bwa Ekuru.
Our goal is to increase the number of women governors from the current G7. It's not just a story. We're not just sitting here having this conversation and then going back to our homes. We have a strategy cut out for the next 3 years.
I'm proud to say that of the 7 female governors, 4 were elected under the UDA party. The party, the ruling party, and the party where I am chair. And the reason I'm saying that is because it takes the conscious effort of a party, of the leadership of the party, to get women elected.
We want to tell you that here you have a sisterhood. People who have been through what you will go through, because it's not easy. And what I'm trying to say is do not be embarrassed to be a woman, because that is who you are. Don't tell yourself that you have to be this hard man. Like my brother Sakaja said, be yourself, be authentic, and once you get the position, do not forget that the reason God put us here, because I believe, it is so that we can take care of those women in mashinani.
So tushikane, tusonge mbele pamoja, and we want to also let our people know that as women governors, we are making a commitment. And that is why institutional strengthening, transparency and accountability and governance are also very key pillars of our strategy.
Kiale kile mambura mama, gavana wa kaunti ya Meru, Kawira Mwangaza, na ultima gavana bangi ba Ekuru kurutira na nchwera, na gutigira ngugira bakuruta ni kuonekana.
Na kwa safari ya ugavana kina mama, because we are here even to encourage those who want to aspire as governors, lazima tufanye kazi. Lazima tufanye kazi. Na kazi ndio imenisaidia mimi kama mama kutoka Meru nipewe nafasi ya uongozi. nataka kuambia kina mama siku ya leo, because we started a journey from G7 to over G24, that we must work hard and at the same time tuangaze kazi ambazo tunafanya mashinani.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Beta Antony, Rangi wa Kathenya.